How to add page numbers in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Canva application on your device and select the project. Here I have already selected the project where I want to add the page numbers. So as you can see right now, there's only one page over here. Now in order to add the another page, all you have to do is tap on the three dotted lines at the top of the screen over here and then tap on settings, and then here you can see the option of show page thumbnail. So tap on it and you'll be able to see the plus icon over here where you can add the pages. So as you tap on it, you can just keep on adding the pages. So the page number can be visible over here at the thumbnail over here as well as number 1, 2, 3 pages. But if you want to add it inside, you can just directly go and tap on the text and then tap on add a little bit of body text, and you can just mention 2, and then here you can take this number. As you tap on this number, you can just drag it and put it at the very bottom, and you'll be able to add page numbers in Canva. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.